they show haya, a lot of parents are like, oh, my son is shy, try and take him away from that.
Allahu musta'an.
Like talk more and,
Make him a man.
Yeah, basically.
Make him daring.
Is that the wrong thing to do?
Okay, I wanted to differentiate between shyness and between cowardness. So two different things. They might have cross-section between them. Shyness and cowardness. So maybe the parents doesn't want him to be coward, not to be shy, something else. Coward is coward, jubn. But shyness is that the person shy is like, he is, not fool man, but he doesn't want to come with these harsh words to say to you something that he wants it to say it. He comes with the most beautiful thing. That his shyness will tell you that, so that's why when the companions had seen a woman, she had made a garment for the Prophet ﷺ. So when she gave it to him, the Prophet ﷺ, he received it, and the companion, he saw it, he said, Allahu Akbar, MashaAllah, Allahumma barik. I wish that the Messenger of Allah could give it to me, he could put it on. After the Prophet left, they started blaming him. Why did you do that? Why? You know that the Prophet will never say no. And you know that he is in need of it. The hadith says he's in need of it. And you know that he was not going to tell you no. He said, Wallahi, I did not ask for it, just to show up with it. I asked for it to be my shrouds in my grave. And it was. He wanted his shroud to be shrouded because it's for the Prophet ﷺ. So I will tell the parents, you have to differentiate between cowardness and shyness. But if your son is shy, alhamdulillah, especially the girls, I said, the girls, they are ghariza, instinct in them. The ghariza, the shyness. The girl is not like the boy. But some parents, you should have said, they will train their daughters to lose this shyness, to take pulpits and address people, men and women, like that. And he's proud. Look, and my daughter is mashallah. And she's chatting with the men. And that's why the Prophet ﷺ, in Islam, we're talking, this is our etiquette. That she's not supposed to be a judge. We talked about that, didn't we? She's not. ما أفلح قوم ولوا أمرهم إمرأة. People will never be successful if they put the women is in charge, because she's going to be dealing with these things that only men should be dealing with. She should be her modesty there, not allow her to go and engage and start shaking the man, tell me the truth. That's not the job of a woman. Now, Wallahu a'lam. Fadal, jazakallah khair. Fadal.
If you're in the masjid and someone starts reciting Quran when